20-second tips.
For home learning.
It's Tip Tuesday at 20-second tips for home learning. Today's tip is take notes the old-fashioned way. Even if you're a computer's #1 fan, note-taking is often more useful when it's done on paper, especially if you're a kinetic learner. Yes, it may be slower, but since note-taking helps you practice the material, slowing the process down can actually be beneficial. Sometimes the learning benefits are completely breezed over when you're a fast typer. If you're ready to start taking notes on paper, comment below with whether or not you're on Team Pen or Team Pencil. I'm 100% on Team Pencil. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking that little A+. If you'd like more study tips, check out another video.